Today we're here at 6270 West Fall Parkway in Cumming, Georgia, 3004. I'm conducting a repair test on a wind crease shingle. Conducting the repairs, General Manager Gary Yakimochi, Trendsetter Roofing Systems, and the witness to the repairs, Jake Schmidt with Trendsetter Roofing Systems. Alright, so we're going to begin by gently loosening the shingle from its adhesive and seeing where the shingle is actually attached to the roof. So, alright, so we're actually going to move a little bit this way. Don't mind moving the pad a little bit. So, trying to do this as gently as possible. This roof was mandated for a 17 shingle repair, which is one, outrageous, two, completely misinterpreted, because there is much more than 17 shingles creased on this roof. And anyone that was a witness to this could attest to that as well. Alright, so let's begin by nailing the roof. Once again, the common problem with these roofs is that the nails are extremely overdriven. Take a look at this nail, it's oxidized, so water is coming into the home. Again, overdriven nail, not a good sight. Not a good sight at all. Let's see. Another one. Again, please take into consideration that you are advising our professionals to do this repair at least 17 times. Could you imagine what the policyholder's roof condition would be if we did this exactly 17 times? Which even still is the incorrect number of shingles that need to be repaired. And so now we're going to proceed to take out the shingle. I think there's one more nail somewhere in here. Oh, that's overdriven. I wonder why I didn't see it, but now it makes sense to me. Alright, check out the condition of the shingle. If you look right here, matting transfer all over the place. And the condition of the shingle before we continue the repair. Alright, so for the sake of this video, we're going to be replacing that wind crease damaged shingle with a brand new 3-tab shingle. Let's proceed. We're going to be gently sliding this in. Okay. It doesn't look like it fits, actually. A little strange. Alright, so let's begin nailing down the shingle back into its original place, trying to maintain that 90-degree threshold, getting the shingle back into the glue strip. Oh boy. Please take into consideration that a certified repairman will be using a nail gun and nails, so the 90-degree threshold might be exceeded. However, ow! Try to be as gentle as possible, but at the same time, please understand that there's a tedious process and doesn't always go as smooth as I'd prefer it to. That nail's not good anymore. This nail. Just a few more here, guys. Okay. One last nail. Just a job done. Nails. All right, so let's check out the condition of the roof after the repair. So you can see the repair does not sustain. Shingle 2 experienced large creasing on top. Shingle 7 also is very hurt by this process. Shingle 3 and shingle 8, you can see minute creasing right there. It's distinct. Yeah, basically let's do right by the homeowner, get him a full roof replacement. This is not right. And let's calculate the roof portion properly, because you guys missed this one crease shingle as well. And there's a shingle in the gutter. There's definitely more than 17 wind crease shingles on this roof. Thank you very much, and we'll be in touch shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye.